Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Titration curves reveal everything about reactants. Let's quickly identify the acid and base used to generate this specific chemical plot. First, look at the starting point of the curve where the pH is approximately 3. This initial value tells us we are dealing with a weak acid, not a strong one. Next, check the equivalence point where the curve is steepest. Since the pH is clearly above 7 at this point, we must be reacting a weak acid with a strong base. Hydrofluoric acid is the weak acid and sodium hydroxide is the strong base. Option C correctly represents our titration. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Trust the given pH values to identify your chemical species correctly.